Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you a different version of the yellow room which I have been sharing with you. That's the one that has the portrait with my picture, and I haven't taken it down because I love the way the black looks against the yellow. But what I did was I removed the bed that was here and I added the white furniture. This white furniture I bought at a Dollhouse store in Maine, a trip that I made there. Now I also added a coffee table here. This coffee table consists of a napkin ring. I have a few of those that I bought from thrifting, and I could have made the two side tables this. Now I have the top. The top is actually a lid from an air freshener can that I bought at the Dollar Tree. On top there is a bead. The bead is serving as a decor piece. Back here I left those bookcases. You did see them before if you've seen my previous video, which is linked down below. I added the little faces. Well, I actually removed some of the faces. I just left, let's see, those two, and I added some musical instruments. Some bongos here. There was supposed to be some type of ornament. And let's see, I also added a little clock to this creation and some liquor. And I also have another frame, which is actually a real picture that I took a long time ago. And I cut it to a smaller size to fit into that frame. So that frame matches the other one. Up on top, on the ceiling, I did share this with you in my previous video, but just in case you're new to this channel and you just stepped in, this is an adhesive tile from the Dollar Tree that I'm using on the ceiling, and I love the way it came out. Look at that. This is great for dollhouse ceilings. Now, in looking at this, I think that I'm going to improve something else, which is going to be this window here. This window my hubby made. He's very handy. This house did not come with any windows, only the front. The front would be this here, but it didn't come with any side windows, and he made those, and it came out pretty good. But I think it needs something. I might, make some rails or something, so that'll be a different project. Now here what I have are some drawer knobs. I have two of those, and I made lamps out of them. All I did was take them apart, flip the pieces, and I ended up with a lamp. Look at how beautiful. Now this here is a little gift box with some nails stuck from under, so they look like the legs. They hold up very well. This here is, I believe it's a kitchen piece to place the pots on, the hot pots on. I don't even remember where I got it. I might have gotten it from the Dollar Tree a long time ago. And then here, I did share this with you in my previous video. This is a page from a magazine. So it looks like you're coming from this area into this area here. I love it. And then I added this plant. So look at that. I just love to create. I really do. So this is a little living room area, reading area, entertainment. So yes, like I said, I will be working on this window because I think it needs something else there. So when I do, once I finish, I will bring you back to this little living room here. So I hope that you stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching.